1/2 to the x. That's just regular old x and y. And negative 1/2 to the negative x plus 3 minus 1. That's going to change the x and y. So what I do is I just take them step by step. The x-axis reflection means that's going to change the y-coordinate to the opposite. The y-axis reflection means it's going to change the x-axis to the opposite. The shifting right 3 means I'm going to add 3. And the shifting down 1 means I'm going to subtract 1. And then all the points on the left just came from the first page. Let's start with the -2. If I plug -2 into this, I get +2 plus 3, which is 5. And if I use 4, I get -4 minus 1, which is -5. Right. Next one, changing the sign, I get 1 plus 3, which is 4. And for y, changing the sign, I get -2 minus 1, which is 1. Then for 0, doesn't matter if I change the sign or not. If I add 3, I get 3. Changing the sign of 1, -1 minus 1 is -2. Plug in 1. It's -1 plus 3, which is 2. Plug in 1/2, that's -1/2 minus 1, which is -3/2, or -1/2. 2, that would be -2 plus 3, which is 1. And -1/4 minus 1 would be -1/4. Was anybody on any of those? Let me write it out because I can. I should get it. Yes.
The second one.
Here?
And -3 instead of 4.
Possibly. Yes, it is. I don't know why I wrote that. Did I say negative? Let's see. If I plug in 2, I get -2 minus 1. You are right. It's -3. That's why you always ask me questions. Absolutely. Thank you. So, check my notes here. Yeah, I think the rest of them are right. Good. All right. Horizontal asymptote is at -1. I'm going to graph these points. So 5, -5, 4, -3, 3, -2, 2, -1.5, and 1, -1 and 1/4. There, looks like that. Domain, of course, negative infinity to infinity. What's the range?
Negative infinity to negative.
Yep. Excellent. Okay, I'm going to start on the next section because I want you to have plenty of time to ask questions and stuff about homework. So I want to make sure I get through it eventually, you know. But day 48 is obviously going to be your homework. It's not going to be due Monday, but you do have a test Thursday and Friday, so you want to work on it so that you can ask questions about it. We're moving on to page 436. Oh, 435? Does it say 435 on yours? Oh, on mine it says 436 on my printout. Must have been an older copy, sorry. Okay, so now we're going to do exponential functions. We know always we do the equation, so it's the algebraic version. We do graphical, which we just did. And then we do numeric, which is a table. So that's what we're doing now. So given the graph equation or table of values that represent an exponential function, state as many facts about the function as you possibly can. Each fact must be numbered and justifications must be provided based on the given information about the function. Okay, so our information, we know that h of x, not sure what happened there, there we go. That h of x is a times b to the negative x plus 2 plus c. Okay. Anybody want to just tell me some, or I can pull some out of you if we need to do it that way. Anybody just know something by looking at the table or by looking at its equation? Say that again. There's a shift. How? Okay. Oh, so shift. Let's do it this way. We have negative x plus 2 equals 0. So that means I'm going to make that 2 equals x. So it's going to shift right 2 for a regular old b to the x. Okay? Any other bit of information you think you can figure out from here? From the table? Yes, sir.
Asymptote at -1.
Asymptote, okay. So it's a horizontal asymptote. Horizontal asymptote, he says, is y equals -1. How'd you get that?
At -6, it's approaching -1.
Yeah, because as x approaches negative infinity, h of x approaches -1. So basically, this number is getting closer and closer to -1 as I go to the left. Excellent. Anything else?
It reflects across it. axis.
Okay, because of that little negative there. Yeah, so it has a y-axis reflection because of, I'll say exponent is negative. All right.
The domain's negative 3 to infinity, the range is negative infinity to negative 1.
Okay. Domain is negative infinity to infinity. Oops. And the range is what?
Negative infinity to negative 1.
Okay. How do you know it's not negative 1 to infinity?
Because as like they approached 9, it was getting further away from the intercept or asymptote.
Yeah. So because as x approaches infinity, and you don't have to write it this way, the way you said it was fine. H of x approaches negative infinity. So what does that tell us about the graph? Where is the graph compared to the horizontal asymptote?
Below.
It's below. And I'm just going to point up to that. That's why. Yes, Berkeley?
Since the horizontal asymptote is negative 1, wouldn't that mean it shifts down 1?
Yes. What's C then?
Negative 1.
All right. Okay. Would you say this is growth or decay? Yeah. This is a decay graph because basically as x approaches infinity, h of x approaches negative infinity. It's going down. If you said it's going down, that would be fine. Let me see which ones we haven't got. If you see any more, tell me. We got a bunch of them. Okay, so the fact that it's below, start there Monday. Have a great weekend, y'all.